Hello everyone, I am Pritish and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is fine and well at home and not coming out unnecessarily. So a lot of people have requested me on Instagram to show a chocolate chip cookie recipe. So today I am going to show this. So the recipe I am going to show you today, it's a very easy recipe and a very tempting recipe. So you can make it at home and you can have it anytime you want. And let's start the cookie dough first. So for the cookie dough, I have taken 50 gram of soft butter. Into that, I am mixing 40 gram of powdered sugar. And 40 gram of brown sugar. Mix this. So mixing the butter and the sugars are very important, and this method is called creaming. We are mixing it by hand only, but if you are making a big batch of cookies, you can mix it by using a stand mixer or a hand mixer. So I am using the powdered sugar because it melts easily. If you are using granulated sugar, then you have to mix it very well and very rigorously. So into this mixture, I am adding a half portion of eggs. That is, I have taken an egg and I have mixed it, and then I measured it in a half portion, and around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And again mixing it well. So yeah, it's mixed now. Into that I am adding 100 gram of flour. I have sifted the flour. And also I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And we have to mix it also again. Choco chip cookie has to be hard on outside and it's soft on inside. So now the most important ingredient of the choco chip cookies are the choco chips. Always try to use best quality choco chips. I am using the Couverture chocolate, and I am adding 100 gram of choco chips into that. And the best part of these choco chips are it can hold the shapes. So I am mixing it a way that every bite of the cookies has a choco chip. So yeah, it's ready now. It has formed a dough. So now we have to shape the cookies and distribute it in a baking tray. So I have taken a cookie tray here, which I have lined with the butter paper, so the cookies don't stick to the pan. And the easiest way to distribute the cookie dough is to take it by a spoon. So I am taking a small portion of the cookie in hand and just giving it a round shape. As you can see, this recipe can make 12 pieces of perfect choco chip cookies. So I have got a lot of questions about the cookies not baking it evenly, or it don't comes out like in a very nice shape. So the main reason for that is the butter. So as we have mixed the butter with the dough, it has melted a bit. So we have to keep this in the freezer for about half an hour to 1 hour, so it can firm up a bit, and when we bake it, it can bake in an even temperature. So let's freeze it and we'll be back after freezing it. So the dough has been chilling for about half an hour in the freezer, and I have taken it out and it's firm now. So I am baking it in a 160-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So now our cookies are ready, and you will get to know when it is done by seeing the top. It will start getting brown, and I have cooled it down the cookies a bit. I know it's tough to wait for the cookies to cool it down, but you have to. So I have a plate over here, and why it is necessary to cool the cookies, because it will come out easily like this. So let's break a cookie and see the inside of it. So one thing you can do, you can keep the cookie dough and shape it and keep it in a freezer for a long time, and when you have to bake it, you just take it out from the fridge and bake it fresh. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and you will make this at home and let me know in the comment section how it has turned out. And if you face any problem making these cookies, do let me know. So guys, do subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this, and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new recipe. See you in the next video.